Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of showing your friends list to friends only on Facebook using your PC. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your friends list is visible only to the people you trust. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook application or visit the Facebook website on your PC. Step 2. Click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Facebook profile. Step 3. Now, click on Settings and Privacy, below your profile photo. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open the settings page for your Facebook account. Step 5. Click on Privacy from the left-hand side menu. Step 6. Locate the section labeled Who Can See Your Friends List and click on Edit next to it. Step 7. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on it to open the options. Step 8. Finally, select Friends from the available options. This will ensure that your friends list is visible only to your friends. By following these steps, you can have better control over who sees your friends list on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.